Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to create a server container and how to connect it with our Stape account. We first need to create a server container in Tag Manager. Click on admin, then click on plus icon. Now you have to give any name of the server here. I will give here my website name, shopping extra, then click on server, then click on create. Now we will click on manually. Here we see a code that needs to be connected the Stape account. We will go to the stape.io and you must first create an account in stape.io. You can click on the I button or description to see how to open an account. After reaching the stape.io, click on create GTM container. Then you have to give any name. I will give my website name. Then container configuration. Now the code we need to put here is this server code. Back to the Google Tag Manager and copy this code and paste it here. Okay, location. Then I will click on create container with my location here. Click on free and turn off this button. Then click on continue with free plan. Now it will be verified. Now we need to copy our domain name. Then go to the server container and click on admin. Click on container settings and click on add URL. Here I will paste the URL. Now save it. Click on submit and publish, continue. Okay, our server container is done. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will see how to track server-side data. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.